Hello, hello. Go ahead, take your seat. Take your seat, please. Yes, go ahead, take your seat. I'm so happy to have you all here. Oh my gosh. Welcome to the Sudsy Spotlight. Today we're interviewing 3 iconic soap makers. I'm so excited to have them here. First, we'll have Perfect Patty. How are you, Perfect Patty? Then we'll have DIY Delilah. You're so cute. Hi. Okay, Mad Mixer Maxine. I love it. Hello, how are you? First question, what is your soap making philosophy? Soap making is an art form, not a hobby. Every bar should look like it belongs in a 5-star boutique. Okay. If it works, it works. I mean, like, who needs philosophy when you got coconut oil and you got duct tape? You got what you got. It works, it works. Philosophy. I call it chaos theory. The best soap bars are made from the unknown.
Okay.
What is your biggest soap fail? Fail? Me? No. No. Me? You're so funny. Fail? Me? Oh my gosh. You kid. I get it. You kid. You kid. Okay. Wait, was that a serious question? Yeah, fail? Me? It was a serious question. Okay, I didn't think it was that funny. Okay. Okay. So, all right. So, wait. So, like this one time, I tried to make soap with leftover pumpkin pie. Oh my god, it was so funny. It was so funny, y'all. Turns out, like, the sugar and like all the ingredients, it just didn't saponify. But I mean, it was a learning experience. It was fun. It was fun for real, y'all. So actually, I like created a volcano soap bar like last week. But listen, at least it smelled good. It kind of smelled just like this, but it worked for me. I mean, it's still soap, right? What is your favorite ingredients to use? Listen, all the colors, all the glitter, I want it to look like a unicorn sneezed on it. Like bright colors like this. This is what like I like, because I want it to look like the rainbow came and the unicorn was there and it sneezed and all of a sudden the rainbow was everywhere and it's all over the soap. I'm telling you, like I like all of the pretty things. Shea butter, only the finest ingredients, ethically sourced, of course. That's a good one. That's a good one. Really, whatever's on sale at the grocery store, because things are expensive. So if it's on sale, then it can work. I mean, if it works, right? So there you have it, 3 soap making personalities, each with their own quirks and charm. So which one are you? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Black Hens are out. Bye-bye, guys. That's it. You don't need any more? Listen, is that all? Are you done? I have perfect soaping to do. All right, I'm just go get my stuff, and then we just go be out. All right. Because I had this like idea of something that we can do, like a new soap bar that we can make, and I was thinking about taking like grounded cereal. Like just take my perfect notebook and my perfect tea, like the Cheerios, yes, and like ground them, like, and like add that on top, and then like throw in like some Fruit Loops, because I mean, who don't like Fruit Loops? And like throw the Fruit Loops in. Oh, look at my little hairpiece, and we'll be on our way. Thanks for having us. Oh no, okay. Did you want? Because I got other ideas. Like if you want another idea, I got another idea. Did you like that? Because like the Fruit Loops and the colors, and it could be real pretty. It could be magical. So just let me know. Yeah, I almost forgot my bracelet, y'all. Never leave home without it, y'all. Thank you. Oh, my bad. This is my duct tape. My empty cup. Ciao. Bye.